What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here with Paramount Property Investments. Just wanted to drop in with you guys. A lot of people ask me, well, Tony, why do you talk about real estate so much? And I want to tell you that there's a lot of benefits that come with owning real estate. Real estate is one of the most lucrative businesses to be in. So there's really only a few places you can put your money. Stocks, bonds, CDs, commodities like corn or oil or gold, silver. Now, with those different investment vehicles, you're only going to have so much return that you can get on your money. Now, with a CD account, we all know you'll be lucky if you get 2%, right? Now, with your stocks and bonds, you got a little bit more volatility in regards to the market. However, you can expect anywhere between, maybe 6 to 7, maybe an 8% return, maybe if you're going the crowdfund route. Now, with a property like this, although this property needs a lot of work, once this property is all the way fixed up, just for numbers' sake, let's just say you get this property fixed up and you include with your acquisition cost, maybe you're all in at $20,000, right? Now, you can rent this property out, let's just say for $700 a month. Now, over the course of, 3 to 5 years, you done got all your money back. You're gonna got all your money back that you invested, and additionally, you get the appreciation in the real estate, you get the tax write-offs, and you get the rental income on a consistent monthly basis, right? So that's what I like about real estate is the appreciation. You can pass the asset down, you can touch it, you can feel it, you can smell it, contrary to your stocks and bonds. So there you have it. Real estate is the way to go. So if you want to learn more, definitely give me a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.